Yeah.
Welcome to LRG Solar, the no bullshit, no bells, no whistles, straightforward business approach to company. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sinotec 5KW inverter, brand new offering from Sinotec, same form factor, shape, look and feel as the Daya Hybrid 5KW. So let's get into the box and see what it offers. As one would expect, normal accessories on top, mounting kit, looks like the bag's open, chuck it back in there and get it out of the way. Proper mounting kit, lugs for battery cables, even the tool to open the inverter, all included. Warranty registration card, test and inspection report, so they actually do test these inverters prior to packaging, which I think is a good thing. And here we go, time for the moment of truth. Hey, look at that. Look and feel seems to be very similar to that of the Daya 5KW. Definitely the same size and form factor. Interesting choice of colors on the front, so let's get it out of the box. Get the plastic off and see what it looks like there. So interesting mounting solution, as it does not work on a wall mount bracket like the average inverters do nowadays. Instead you've got the same clip and hold function that you had on the sort of expert like inverters, more the Mesa brands that one would expect. Let's call it the Voltronic range for short. Also inside the box, communication cable, this obviously for battery to inverter communication. And if we turn the inverter to you, let's be honest, black and orange screen doesn't look bad at all. So obviously what we've done inside our warehouse is we've installed one of the 8KW versions of this specific inverter. And I must be honest with you, we've been more than happy with the performance of that system. Bearing in mind that when it pairs with the 1U 5KWh battery, you've got a 10-year warranty on the combination. So we'll get a bit more in-depth as to the working of the physical inverter a bit later, but for the purpose of this video, that's what we get when we unbox the Sinotec 5KW inverter. You can get it from LRG Solar at discounted rates for installers, and of course at the best possible rates for consumers. Give us a call. Okay guys, so just as with any other inverter, the mounting kit solutions that they supply for our market, specifically in the Western Cape, doesn't seem to fit all that well. If we just look at the bolt solutions that they give, I tend to prefer more a screw with plastic sheath solution rather than the roll solution that they provide. Nevertheless, it's a good quality bolt, doesn't look to be flimsy, doesn't look like it will share. I think perfectly as a non-sharing solution that should be sufficient. You've got your two secure bolts for the top and of course your earth points on the side. Even comes with the lugs for the battery cables for inverter connections. So the Sinotec battery communication cable that comes in the box seems to be a standard SFTP, but it is marked B and A. The A side going to the inverter, the B side going into your battery. That makes for seamless connection between the battery and inverter, especially if using the 1U 5.12KW lithium battery, which we'll unbox for you in a few moments.
Yeah.